In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Asana from start to finish. Whether you're just getting organized or setting up a new workflow for your team, this guide will walk you through the essential steps and give you practical tips so your project starts off clear and structured. First, open Asana and head into your workspace. Think of the workspace as the home base for your projects. If you use Asana for multiple areas of your life or for different teams, take a moment to confirm you're in the space where this project should live. Starting in the right place keeps your work visible to the right people and avoids duplication later. Next, find the Create or New Project button. Depending on your view, it might appear in the top bar or in the sidebar. Click it and you'll land on the setup screen. This is where you decide whether to build your project from scratch or use a template. Templates are great if you run similar projects over and over, like campaigns, content calendars, or onboarding. They come with pre-structured tasks and sections to save time. If this is a unique effort, starting from scratch gives you full control. Now give your project a clear, descriptive name. A strong name makes your project easy to recognize and search for later. Consider including the objective or time frame so anyone who opens it immediately understands what it's for and when it matters. Good naming conventions pay off, especially when you're juggling many initiatives. Choose your project layout next. Asana offers several options, and picking the right one sets the tone for how you manage work. The list view is perfect for tidy checklists and straightforward task lists. The board view lets you move tasks across columns, ideal for stages like to do, in progress, and done. Timeline gives you a Gantt-style view, helpful when you want to visualize sequencing and overall duration. Calendar places tasks by date, which is great for schedules and time-bound deliverables. Select the layout that best matches how you think and how your team collaborates. Click Create Project, and you're ready to add tasks. Start by capturing everything you know needs to happen. Keep task names short, specific, and action-oriented so it's obvious what success looks like. If you're unsure where to begin, list out major milestones, then break them into smaller, doable steps. As you add tasks, group related work together, and maintain consistent phrasing for clarity. That's it. You've created a new Asana project and set the stage for smooth execution. Keep refining as you go, and your project will stay organized, transparent, and on track.